Hello everyone, this is Ayush Gupta and this is a video presentation on our project for IMS NewsTalk. The technologies that we're using are AngularJS, Bootstrap, MongoDB, Node.js and Express.js. Angular is a front-end library made by Google. Bootstrap is a CSS library. MongoDB is our database. It's a NoSQL document-based database which uses key value pairs to store objects, and Node is used for running server-side JavaScript. So basically how it works is Angular sends AJAX requests to Node, which then retrieves the JSON data from the Mongo database and returns this data to Angular, which then shows it in the browser. So now I'll just start the server. So this is our front page. It loads the latest news. Now I'll just refresh it for getting the latest news right now. Yeah. Now to vote or comment or upvote and add to the reading list, I'll need to register or login. So I'll just create a new account here. Add a profile picture. I'll just use a random image right now. Okay, so now that the user is logged in, I can upvote on an article, downvote one, or add comments. I'll just type a test comment. And another one. And this is the console. And one more on another article. All this is done through AJAX requests. So whenever I click on submit, it just posts it there. Now the page is auto refreshing whenever I scroll down to the bottom of the page and fetching 10 new articles like it did right now. Again, as I scroll to the bottom, more articles are loaded. This again is using AJAX requests. Now I'll just add this to my reading list so that it can be read later on. I'll just go to the reading list to check if it's there. So now both of these are added. I'll just remove this one. Okay. Now I'll go to the top stories. These are the top stories by the day in the last 24 hours. These are for the week. The dates are relative. Like it's 8 hours ago here. I'll just upvote this one and refresh the page so it comes on the top. There it is. Now I'll go to the user profile. So here's the user details, the recent comments made by the user, and the articles on which those were made, and the reading list. So again to the top stories. This is the latest news. I'll just log out. And now I can no longer comment or vote, but I can see the comments. log in again. I'll just delete some comments, add another one, and once again delete this. So it's gone. Again, Ajax requests. Now on the back end, this is the console where everything gets logged. I'll just go into the Mongo shell. As I said, this is a NoSQL database, so it uses documents to store the data. It's like every row is a document. So if I just print out all the users, each user is stored as a JSON object in individual documents. Here's the user object with all the details. Here's an article object with all the comments and upvotes and downvotes on it. It's a comments object with the content of the comment, the votes on it, the user who made the comment, and the article on which the comment was made. Also the date and time at which the comment was added. This is the article object, again containing the comments on it, votes, timestamp, and other details. So these are the comments made by the user. This is the part of a user object. The reading list of the user, the votes cast by the user, whether it's a downvote or an upvote, and also the other details of the user.